In the hustle and bustle of the modern global economy, foreign exchange regulation often plays a pivotal role in maintaining financial stability. One such legislation, pivotal in shaping the economic landscape of Pakistan, is the Foreign Exchange Regulation Act of 1947. This act, an instrumental piece of legislation, aimed to regulate certain aspects of foreign exchange transactions within Pakistan's boundaries. It was a strategic move by the government, targeted at conserving foreign exchange resources, regulating dealings in foreign exchange and securities, and promoting an orderly development and maintenance of the foreign exchange market in the country. The Foreign Exchange Regulation Act of 1947 empowered the government with the authority to control the flow of foreign currency. It gave the government the legal backing to regulate foreign exchange transactions and impose restrictions or conditions on various types of foreign exchange dealings. The primary objective? To ensure stability in the country's economy. It's like a well-orchestrated symphony where each instrument, each note, plays a crucial role in creating a harmonious melody. Similarly, this act provided a legal framework for managing foreign exchange operations and safeguarding Pakistan's financial interests in the international arena. Now, let's delve a bit deeper into the components of this act. The short title, for instance, is the concise name given to the legislative document for easy reference. Think of it as the name of the symphony, short, catchy, and encapsulating the essence of the composition. Next, we have the extent, which specifies the geographical scope or jurisdiction of the law. It's like the stage on which the symphony is performed. It might specify whether the symphony is to be performed nationally, regionally, or in specific territories. Finally, we have the commencement, outlining when the law comes into effect. It's the conductor's baton that sets the symphony in motion. It may specify a date, or it might state that the law comes into effect immediately upon passing. Sometimes different sections of a law come into effect at different times, just like different movements in a symphony. So, what does this all mean? The Foreign Exchange Regulation Act of 1947 was a significant stride towards ensuring economic stability in Pakistan.